Hello parents and students, this is Ashita and welcome to my channel Loft Academia. Today we will be discussing IGKO International General Knowledge Olympiad for Class 2. Chapter 4 Science and Technology. Various topics which will be covered in this chapter are as computers and accessories, colors and rainbow, common machines, and solar system. So let's get started with the chapter. Question number 1. Which is the longest key on keyboard? So as you can see on keyboard, सबसे बड़ी key, सबसे long key जो होती है, okay, it will start from here till here on most of the keyboards, okay, इतनी बड़ी होती है. So that is space bar, which is used to give space between two characters, okay. So please tick option C. Moving on to the next question. Question number 2. What would you find under the bonnet of a car? तो कार का जो बोनेट होता है, आगे का पार्ट होता है, उसके अंडर क्या होता है, right? So you must have seen your parents sometimes opening it, checking what exactly is wrong, etc. So there you have engine of the car, जिससे कार चलती है. Okay, so engine is under the bonnet of a car. Rest of the options, if you see, seat, steering wheel, that is inside the car, or tire, that is used to run the car, right? So वो bonnet के अंदर तो हो ही नहीं सकता, right? So engine is the correct answer. Rainbows are formed by dash. So rainbows are formed when sunlight and water droplets they come in contact. Okay, वो exactly कैसे split होता है sunlight using water drops, that you will learn in your future classes. But right now for you, for your standard, what you should know is rainbow is formed because of sunlight and water drops, which is option B. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question. Question number 4. What are the Wright brothers famous for? So they are famous for making the first aeroplane. Okay, so first airplane is their invention. Please tick option A. Moving on to the next question. Which planet in the solar system is called as red planet? Okay, so out of all the 8 planets which are known to us in the solar system, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. इसमें से Mars, which comes after Earth, is called as, is also known as red planet. Okay, so please tick option B. Mars को मंगल भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है? So please tick option B. Moving on to the next question. Telephone was invented by dash. So Graham Bell जो है, he has invented the first telephone. Okay, so please tick option D as answer to this question. Moving on to the next question. Question number 7. Which is the hottest planet in our solar system? सबसे hottest planet है, those are more near to the sun. Okay, so Mercury and Venus are more near to the sun, इसलिए वो दोनों भी hot है. लेकिन amongst them, who is the which planet is most hottest? It is Venus, which is the second planet. So the hottest planet in our solar system is Venus. Please tick option B and transfer all your answers to the OMR sheet. Moving on to the next question, question number 8. In MS Paint, the icon shown in the picture is used to. So ये जो बाजू में आइकन दिया है, this looks like a dropper, right? So ये जो particular icon है, this is used to pick a color, which is option B. Please tick it. Also the icon name is color picker. Okay, so option B is the answer to this question. Please tick it. The first light bulb was invented by. So this was invented by the scientist named as Thomas Edison. Please tick it. Let us look at the rest of the options. Albert Einstein, he is famous physicist and he's famous for his law of motion, which you will learn in your future classes. Wright brothers, we just saw, they made the first airplane. Marie Curie, she is famous for radioactivity, which again you will learn in your future classes. So answer to this question is option A, Thomas Edison. I have written down the same for your ready reference. Moving on to the next question, which is the middle color of a rainbow? Okay, so when a rainbow is formed, there are 7 colors which you can see in the rainbow. All right, so we get Vibgyor from rainbow. Now, what is Vibgyor? Let me write that for you. So, this is how Vibgyor is formed. Okay, Vibgyor. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay, so that's how rainbow colors are made. And the question is the middle color. So middle color is green, which is option B. Please tick it. And this is how rainbow is formed with the inner color, the color which is over here. So that's how, this is how you see rainbow, right? Like this, all these shades, right? So this is how the shades are going to be. So the inside color, the shade which is inside is violet. So you have to start, you can remember the colors in this fashion. Vibgyor, Vibgyor. Okay, so please tick option B as the answer to this question. Moving on to the next question, question number 11. Which of these do you use to stop a car? A gearbox, a steering wheel, a brake, or a wiper? Right? So, answer to this question is brake, because we apply brake even when you ride a cycle, you apply brake to stop the cycle, isn't it? So, the same similar kind of brake you have in car as well. All right, so please tick option C as the answer to this question. Moving on to the next question, which of these programs you can do a video chat on? Which of these programs? Okay, so you can do a video chat on this. No, this is Amazon, right? This is Twitter. This is Pinterest. It is Skype where you can do a video chat. Please tick option C as the answer to this question. Moving on to the next question, which of the following is an outer planet? Okay, let us first understand what is inner and outer planet. Inner planets are the ones which are more close to the sun, such as Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They are all inner planets. And outer planets are rest of the planets, such as Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, and there are some differences between the inner and outer planet. जो inner planet होते हैं, they are made up of rock and metal mostly. Okay, and they don't have rings, they have shorter orbits, slower spin, etc. ठीक है, and जो outer planets होते हैं, their main composition is gas and liquid, or they have lot of moons also. That's not the case with inner planet, isn't it? And rings भी होते हैं, जैसे you must have seen ring for Saturn, right? And Uranus also has a thin ring. ठीक है, so that is the difference between uh, inner planet and outer planet for that matter. Okay, so now let us look at the options which are given over here. You have Mercury, which is inner planet. Venus is also inner planet. Jupiter, yes, it is outer planet. Hence, answer to this question, and Earth is inner planet. So, please tick option C as the answer to this question. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following colors you cannot get by mixing other colors? Okay. Now, in order to get colors, we mix colors, correct? But there are 3 colors which are known as primary colors: red, yellow, and blue, which you get in its own form. Okay, they are not formed by mixing LE colors. That's why they are called as primary. Because प्राइमरी कलर्स यूज करके आप दूसरे कलर्स बना सकते हैं, बट प्राइमरी कलर्स खुद ही होते हैं. ओके, सो रेड, ग्रीन एंड ब्लू आर प्राइमरी कलर्स. एंड इसमें इफ यू लुक एट द ऑप्शन यू हैव ब्लू कलर. यू कैन नॉट गेट ब्लू बाय मिक्सिंग अदर कलर्स बिकॉज इट इज अ प्राइमरी कलर. ठीक है, सो हेंस आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन डी, ब्लू. प्लीज टिक इट. Moving on to the next question, question number 15. Which of these is an output device? अब कंप्यूटर में या लैपटॉप में there are output and input devices. Input devices are those which are used to input the data. जो भी आप इंफॉर्मेशन डालते हो, जो भी आप डेटा डालते हो कंप्यूटर में, उसको इनपुट करने के लिए जिस चीज़ का यूज़ करते हैं, जिस डिवाइस का यूज़ करते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज इनपुट डिवाइस. और जो भी आपने डेटा बनाया है उसको फाइनली जब आप बाहर निकालते हो कंप्यूटर से, लैपटॉप से, इट इज टेकन आउट यूजिंग एन आउटपुट डिवाइस. ओके, सो दैट इज अ बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन इनपुट एंड आउटपुट डिवाइस. अब जैसे यहाँ पे ऑप्शन ए में माउस दिया है which is used to actually move the cursor. Okay, if you look at keyboard, it is an input device because आप keyboard से input करते हो system में. This is a joystick. Okay, which is also used for playing. So all these are classified actually as input devices. लेकिन ये जो printer होता है, that is an output device because अब जो भी information या जो भी data computer में होता है, that you take out and you print it on a paper. That is the output of the computer, right? Output matlab bahar nikalna, right? So which is this printer? Answer to this question. Please tick B as the answer to this question and transfer all your answers to the OMR sheet. Moving on to the next question, question number 16. Which of the following is not a primary color? So we just discussed that primary color are three colors which are yellow, blue and red. And when you mix yellow and blue, you get green. So which one is not primary color? It is green, which is not the primary color. Please tick option A. Moving on to the next question, question number 17. Lewis E. Waterman invented the fountain pen. So please tick option D as the answer. So fountain pen ink pen होते हैं, जो अभी आप बच्चे इतने यूज़ नहीं करते, but it was, when we were kid we used to use this a lot. So Waterman was the person who invented the same. Moving on to the next question, question number 18. Who is known as the father of computers? Father of computers is Charles Babbage. Please tick option B. He was a great mathematician. In 1837, he actually proposed the first mechanical computer, and hence he is considered as father of computers. So please tick option B as the answer. Moving on to the next question, I'm an input device that converts printed images into computer images. What I am. So we just discussed, right? What are input devices? Those are used to input or put the data into the computer. Okay, so printer is an output device. Okay, not answer to this question. Monitor is a device where you can actually see the data. Okay, it is used for display purpose. Not answer to this question. Mouse is also used for moving the cursor across, right? So not answer to this question. It is scanner, which is option D, which is an input device. Scanner क्या करता है? Images को scan करता है, correct? So whatever printed images you have, scanner will scan it and put that particular image onto the computer. Okay, so hence D, scanner, is the answer to this question. Please tick it. How many colors are there in a rainbow? Question number 20. So we just discussed that rainbow has 7 colors. Whip cure, right? So please tick option D, as the answer to this question and transfer all your answers to the OMR sheet. Let us look at the last section, Achievers section, also known as HOT, and they carry 2 marks in the question paper. Alright, so question number 21. Select the incorrect match. Brightest planet Venus. This is correct. Venus is indeed a brightest planet. Largest planet? Yes, Jupiter. This is also correct. Planet with rings? Yes, it is Saturn. Farthest planet from the sun? It is Neptune and not Uranus. And hence the incorrect match is option D. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question, question number 22. Select the correct statement about the colors of a rainbow. Okay, so let's first make the colors or write the colors in the order they appear. Okay, so writing Vibgyor, Vibgyor. Okay, green color is present between yellow and orange. Where is green color? This is present between yellow and orange. No, this is not a correct statement. Incorrect statement. But हमें correct statement देखना है. ठीक है? So this is not answer to this question. Blue color is present between indigo and green. So where is blue color? Blue color is present between indigo and green. So this is a correct statement, but we should still look at option C and D. Red color is present between green and orange. Red is the last color, right? So, nahin. Yellow color is present between green and blue. Yellow, green and blue. No, again no. So, hence option B is the correct statement. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question, question number 23. Which of the following heavenly bodies, मतलब जो स्पेस में होते हैं, they are called as heavenly bodies, okay, is called as shooting star? Comets, moon, meteor, or asteroid? It is meteor, which is called as shooting star. Okay, so when a trail of dust, जो मतलब एक पूंछ जैसा, okay, जो एस्ट्रॉइड या कॉमेट से निकलता है, that dust that that dust burns up when it enters our atmosphere. जब अर्थ का के अराउंड जो एयर होता है उसको एटमॉस्फेयर बोलते हैं. दैट यू विल लर्न इन योर फ्यूचर क्लासेस. बट जैसे ही वो अर्थ के पास में आता है, then it starts burning, okay, and it looks like a shooting star, so that is called as a shooting star. So the answer to this question, meteor is a shooting star. Talking about a comet is an icy and small body. Okay, it's chota sa hota, like it's chota as in it's really not small, but it is an icy but a bit small heavenly body, मतलब जो space में घूमता है. Okay, because space is really really cold, right? So that is nothing but a comet. Okay, and comet, what happens is when it goes a bit near to sun, वो warm up होता है, and because of that it starts releasing gases. Okay, that's why comets are also having tails. ठीक है. However, asteroid is also an heavenly body, a heavenly body only, but it is made up of rocks. Okay, so it looks like a chunk of rock. It can be big and small in various shape, and it is also um, one of the heavenly bodies. Okay, so hence answer to this question, shooting star is meteor. Please tick option C. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is not a peripheral device? What are peripheral devices? Those are devices which are external to computer. मतलब कंप्यूटर के बाजू में जो होते हैं, those devices are peripheral devices, external to computer. ठीक है, such as keyboard, mouse, monitor, joystick, scanner, printer, all these are peripheral devices, isn't it? लेकिन सीपीयू जो होता है वो central processing unit है. वो खुद ही um, ऐसा डिवाइस है विच इज द सेंट्रल पार्ट और मेन पार्ट ऑफ द कंप्यूटर. इट इज नॉट टर्म्ड एज पेरिफेरल डिवाइस. ठीक है, सो दैट्स वाई ऑप्शन ए इज द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन. प्लीज टिक इट. Moving on to the next question, which is the last question of this particular section and also the chapter. Match the following and select the correct option. कॉलम वन में devices है और कॉलम टू में names है. ठीक है? What those devices are. So let us look at the first device. What is this? This is a scanner. Okay. So this is a scanner जिसमें हम scan करते हैं images को. What are you seeing over here? ये एक टच स्क्रीन है, राइट? आप टच कर रहे हो उसको to open the applications. This is a touch screen. So which is option 3. Then what is this? This is a trackball. So इसको उल्टा माउस भी बोल सकता है. It is used just like a mouse. Mouse has the ball at the bottom side, but this trackball has it on the top. So this is a trackball. So as you can see, P goes to 2. So P goes to 2. It is only option D. Q goes to 3, correct, and R goes to 1. So option D is the answer to this question. Please tick it and transfer all your answers to the OMR sheet. Looking at the sample OMR sheet which is given at the end of the lesson, ये 25th का जो answer था, it was D. So I will shade D over here. Similarly, for all the questions you are required to shade in the similar fashion. ऐसा ही exam में भी sheet आता है where you have to shade the OMR sheet. So with this, we completed our chapter 4. Let us move to the table of content and put a tick mark on chapter 4 and give yourself a thumbs up. Yay, we completed this particular chapter, science and technology as well. Thank you so much for watching this video till this point in time. Please show your love and support with your subscription to my channel Loft Academia. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye bye.